WINSOL Clean Energy was founded by Kenneth Reed and David Bennett, two ordinary men from different places and different backgrounds drawn together for an extraordinary purpose. Together, they developed a sound written plan to create 500 new high-paying jobs for a traditionally underserved urban area. From the beginning, they knew the plan was too big to accomplish alone, so they set out to build a team of courageous, intelligent, passionate people with the capacity to solve big problems and a heart for serving people. The dream of WINSOL Clean Energy is so big, it began to attract the attention of other big dreamers. The dream is so big, it has the capacity to fulfill dreams of others. One by one, they began to come. Big dreamers, extraordinary visionaries, people and companies with a proven track record for dreaming big dreams and accomplishing big things. Together, they form an elite ensemble, organized, mobilized, and positioned on stage to perform on the banks of the Detroit River. Big dreamers attract other big dreamers. A company is only as good as the people in it. WINSOL Clean Energy is a team of dedicated people inspired by a vision to contribute their individual talents and skill toward a common goal. That goal is to educate and employ residents of Detroit and its surrounding regions to manufacture component parts for wind, aerospace, automotive, defensive, marine, and mass transportation industries using advanced carbon composites and glass fiber materials. The heart of the company is in its design engineering team. The strength of the company is in its carbon composites expertise. The objective of the company is to design, manufacture, and sell wind turbine blades for the replacement blade market and for utility-scale land-based and offshore wind energy projects. Team WINSOL has set its sail to capture a fresh wind blowing through the city of Detroit. WINSOL Clean Energy, a company positioned for maximum positive impact. The chains are falling. For decades, the city of Detroit has been held captive by the economy and politics as usual and the structure of how things were run. Then came a raging storm that washed away the people and things that were wrong for the city, and out came the sun. Everything that happens next to the city of Detroit is like a new wind that blows. The wind that blows upon Colorado, Iowa, Kansas, Texas, and the Dakotas are the same winds that blow upon Detroit. In fact, it's the same wind that blows upon us all. If Detroit chooses to sit still and just let the wind blow, the wind will not carry the city where it wants to go. At WINSOL Clean Energy, we can hear the chains falling. Therefore, we came to help the city of Detroit break free and renew its strength so that it can soar on the wind on the wings of eagles. With the help of its strategic partners, WINSOL will teach the people in urban communities how to use the wind to propel them to their dreams, to take them to the equity they want, to help them earn the income they want so that they can spend as much as they want to buy homes they want, homes built by Michigan workers. WINSOL will encourage and empower the people to purchase Detroit-made automobiles, Michigan-made products, and send their children to Michigan colleges and trade schools. Essentially, WINSOL will provide the impetus and the resources for Michigan residents to live the lifestyle they've always wanted to live. The people in the city of Detroit know where they want to go, yet they can no longer afford to allow the future of their families, their communities, and this city to drift at sea like a rudderless ship. Detroit must purposefully set a good sail to carry it to its desired end. The wind will blow however it will blow. The economy will do what it will do. Politics will always be politics, and things will turn out however they turn out. There are just some things we cannot change. One thing we can do, however, is work together to set a good sail and chart a new course that we will not fail. We must no longer pray for a better wind. We must now pray for wisdom, better learning, and skills that will carry us to peace, clean power, and prosperity. WINSOL Clean Energy is a team of change agents with the help of local banks, Private investors, commercial and residential developers, city leaders, and community residents, WINSOL will lead a miraculous turnaround in Detroit. New manufacturing plants, new schools, new affordable homes, and new small businesses will abound. Detroit is poised for an economic revolution like none seen in over 100 years. WINSOL is a jewel planted in Detroit by the hand of Providence to bring beauty to blight and to lift the spirit of heaviness that has hung over this city for so long. WINSOL and its strategic partners will restore old waste, raise up former desolation, and revive communities that have long since been dead. WINSOL Clean Energy. Organized, mobilized, and positioned for maximum positive impact.